Hello students, today I am going to explain about plane and angles. Now we are studying which lesson? Chapter 10. What's the name of the chapter? Lines and angles. All of you open your book, page number 166. First, plane. You know what do you mean by plane? A flat surface. Flat surface is called plane. For example, this blackboard, it is a flat surface. What is students? Flat surface. For example, a ball. Ball is a curved surface. It is not plane. Your most bottles are curved shapes. It is not a plane. A flat surface. For example, your top of table, top of book, blackboard or wall. These are the plane surfaces. And ball or globe, these are the examples of curved surface. Flat surface is called plane. Just you have to understand what is plane. Now, next part is angle. What is it? Angle. Look here. It is a ray. It has one end point. If your teacher is drawing another ray, how many rays are there? 2 rays. And look here, this point. This both ray has one common point. So 2 rays join together to form an angle. What is it? Angle. This is the symbol of angle. Then how many rays join together? 2 rays join together to form an angle. And this joining point is called vertex. What is it? Vertex. And these 2 are called arms. ARM. This is another arm. Then an angle has how many vertex? 1 vertex. And how many arms are there? 2 arms. Look here. This is example of angle now. This is vertex. This is arm. This is arm. Like this 2 rays joining that point is called vertex. I think most you studied in the 4th class. Now, A, B, C. What is the name of this angle? Angle ABC. You have to write down like that. Angle ABC. Always the vertex letter should be in the middle. Any capital letters you can give by seeing angle PQR. Saying the letter, can you say which letter is the vertex? Middle letter is the vertex. Once more, while you are writing the angle, always vertex will be in the middle. Or you can write this angle like that, CBA. Angle CBA. How to read this one? Angle ABC or angle CBA. If you are writing this way or that way, both way it is correct. But which is the main point? Vertex letter should be in the middle. Then only the question, what is the vertex of angle ABC? B is the vertex. Can you say what is the name of arms here? A or C? No. How to say? You should start with B. So BA is the one arm and another arm is BC. Understood? No. While you are writing the arm's name, you needed the 2 letters and the vertex letter should be in the middle. Angle PQR. Write the vertex name. Vertex is equal to Q. Write the name of arms. So you can have to write down the arms name. QP. Why we are written Q first? Because I told you vertex letter should be first. Then what is another one? One angle has how many arms? 2 arms. Second one is QR. Arm QR. Look the another. Then X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. Can you say what is a vertex of this angle? Y is the vertex. What are the arms? YX and YZ. These are called arms. Understood? No? Angle. An angle has one vertex and two arms. Two rays join together to form an angle. That joining point is called vertex. These two rays are called arms. Now we are going to study about different types of angle. So first angle is right angle. What's the name of first angle? Right angle. Right angle means an angle measure is correct 90 degree. How to read it, these students? This is called degree. An angle we are using measure. Degree is the, look here. You know what is it? Its name. You are familiar with the bird. You are saying D. But you are saying, what is its name? Protractor. Protractor. An instrument used to measure the angle. It's called protractor. It is, don't call its name is D. Once more, an angle. How to measure an angle? You know, line we are using the scale to measure. So one angle we are using to measure. The instrument is called protractor. So I will explain more about how to make the angle. Degree, 90 degree. An angle measure correct 90 degree. It is called right angle. This is right angle, and we are using one small square to denote. Small square to denote right angle. While you are seeing this square, you have to understand it is what type of angle. It is right angle, and how many degree it is? 90 degree. Once more, this small circle is called degree. So you should read it 90 degree. D-G-R-E. 90 degree. While you are writing, no need to write like that 90 degree. Just you should write 90, here small 0. 90 degree. But we are going to study now. We are studying different types of angle, which is a first angle, right angle. What is a measure of right angle? An angle measure is correct 90 degree. Such angles are called right angle. Right angle symbol is small square. Second one is straight angle. S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T. Straight angle. Straight angle means one angle measure correct 180 degree. Such angles are called straight angle. This is two rays joining straight. You know straight line, no? So this is this angle. Can you say how many degree? 100 degree. Two rays. We are studying straight line. So this one angle measure is 180 degree. Such angles are called straight angle. This is 180 degree. This two rays joining to the straight. Such angles are called straight angle. Next one is, third one is acute angle. Third one is acute angle. Acute angle means an angle measure less than 90 degree. Angle measure less than 90 degree. That means 90 is less angle. That means 20, 10, 50, 75, 80. Such angles are called acute angle. So you should learn it, these different types of angle, and you have to understand what is its measure. For example, 79 degree. Can you say it is what type of angle? It is acute angle. How you know? Acute angle means its measure is less than 90 degree. So look here. This is 90. What is the measure of this angle? Less than 90, no? If you are coming this side, it is obtuse angle, and the small angles are called acute angle. If you are measuring, it will get the degree less than 90 degree. Once more, an angle measure is less than 90 degrees. Such angles are called acute angle. Next, fourth one is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. An angle measure is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Less than 180 degree. Such angles are called, how to read it? Obtuse angle. Once more, what do you mean by obtuse angle? More than 90, less than 180. That means between 90 and 180 number. For example, can you say some angles name? 95 degree, 100 degree, 120 degree, 105, 130, 170, 179. These all angles are called obtuse angle. Obtuse angle we will draw like that. These are the obtuse angles. What is the name of this angle? Acute angle, less than 90 degree. Understood? Not different types of angle. Again, more are there that you will study in the 6th class. This year you are studying how many types of angles? 4. Right angle, straight angle, acute angle, obtuse angle. Exercise 10.2. First question, you have to give different colors. Just you have to understand by seeing the picture. Without measuring, you have to understand what's the type of this angle. Can you say what's the name of this angle? It is measure is less than 90, so it is called acute angle. Yes, this is more than 90, it is obtuse angle. Then this is, I told you, if you are getting one square, what's the name of this angle? Right angle. Its name is right angle. By seeing the picture, then you can understand it is what type of angles. What's the name of this angle? If it is given like that symbol, it is 90 degree right angle. Now look here. Yes, what's the name of this angle? Straight angle, 180 degree. Now, what's the name of this angle? Acute angle. Why? It is small measure, that means it is less than 90. Then, if it is given like that, can you say what is the measure of? Not measure, what type of angle? Obtuse angle. That means this is, students, 90. 90 se jada, it is obtuse angle. While seeing the angle shape, we have to identify it is what type of angles. Blackboard corners, examples of right angle. Your table corner, right angles. So second question, students, count the angles and write the number of in this figure, how many right angles, how many acute angle, how many obtuse angle you have to count, but inside the shape. Already in circles lesson I told you what is inside. These are inside, this is outside, interior and exterior. Now look here, can you say what is the name of this angle? Right angle. So how many right angles are there in this figure? 1. And these two small angles, acute angle. So how many acute angles are there? 2 acute angles. And this figure, any obtuse angle? No, you should write the answer 0. Now look the second figure. The question is only you have to write inside. This angle is from outside, don't need to write. Look here, students, inside, this is the inside now. It is from what type of angle? Right angle. Now look here, these are the angles inside. First with pencil, you should mark how many angles are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why we did not mark this angle? Because this angle is outside. Only we have to take inside the figure. Then it is the symbol of right angle. So how many right angle? 1. Then look here, this is a big angle. This is also big angle. So it is what type of angle? Obtuse angle. So how many obtuse angles are there? 2 two obtuse angle. And how many acute angles are there? Two acute angles are there. And you should know how to write down the answer. Then the third one is given circle. You know circle has no zero right angle, zero acute angle, zero obtuse angle. Why? Because it is a curved line. Angle means no, you know two rays joining, it is an angle. So it is a circle has no acute angle, no obtuse angle, no right angles. And you should know how to find out the different types of angle without using protractor. You should learn it, students. Okay, students. Next, how to make the angle with the protractor we will study in the next class. Bye.